The Polarization Analyzer from Schefter and Kirchhoff is a compact measuring device for the determination of the state of polarization of light. It is suited for fiber-coupled laser sources as well as for free beam applications. The measuring frequency of 15 Hz is suitable for adjustment purposes. Adapters are available for all established types of fiber connectors, and it can easily be integrated into standard cage systems or the Schefter and Kirchhoff multi-cube system. After connecting it to the USB port of the computer, the device is ready for use. An additional power supply or an external control unit is not necessary. With the software included, the state of polarization is depicted in real time on a Poincaré sphere. All linear states of polarization are mapped on the equator. Vertical and horizontal polarization are located opposite to each other. Circularly polarized states of polarization are on the north or south pole. Elliptically polarized states are found on the northern or southern hemisphere, depending on the sense of rotation. The determined state of polarization is also displayed numerically. In addition to the azimuth angle phi and the inclination eta, the degree of polarization DOP is also shown. The parameters relevant to coupling of polarization-maintaining fibers are displayed in a separate frame. The polarization is determined by evaluating the light arriving at a photodetector after passing through a rotating quarter wave plate and a static linear polarizer. For parameters, the Stokes parameters are retrieved from a detailed analysis of the photodiode signal, determining the position on the Poincaré sphere and the degree of polarization. One main application of the SK010PA Polarization Analyzer is the alignment of polarization-maintaining single-mode fibers with the polarization axis of the source. After mounting an adequate adapter, the fiber, for example, of a fiber-coupled helium-neon laser, is connected to the analyzer. If the polarization axis of the polarization-maintaining fiber are not aligned correctly to the polarization axis of the laser source, the state of polarization jumps stochastically over a section of the Poincaré sphere when the fiber is strongly jigged. Slowly bending the fiber, however, reveals that the individual measurement points yield to a circle on the Poincaré sphere. The circle is used for the optimization of the fiber coupling. An algorithm for this is already implanted into the software. The center of the data circle represents the mean polarization extinction ratio, PER. The radius of the data circle serves as a measure for the angular deviation between fiber polarization axis and the polarization axis of the source. In the setup shown here, a half-wave plate is used to rotate the polarization direction of the incoming beam. The aim is to get the current polarization state as near to the center of the circle as possible. The success of the adjustment is visualized with a logarithmic bar plot. The measurement points now form a circle with a smaller radius. A second PER measurement reveals the parameters of the now optimized polarization adjustment. The Polarization Analyzer is also used for free beam applications. For example, for the adjustment of a fiber collimator with integrated quarter wave plate from Schefter and Kirchhoff. Using a special tool, the quarter wave plate is rotated. A full rotation corresponds to a figure of 8 on the Poincaré sphere. For a quarter wave plate, the extreme values equal circularly polarized light and are located on the poles.